we are early March in the garden. I'm putting up a clothesline. So I've dug my hole about 18 inches deep. And now I'm going to level my post, throwing in some rocks to hold it in place once I get it leveled. Now we're going to pour in some dry quickcrete mix. Now I didn't fill it entirely with the quickcrete mix. I'm going to add some water first. We'll let that settle for a bit. Once it does, I'm going to add more quickcrete and some more water and let it set. Check my level again. Two dead batteries. What's the luck? Let's try battery number 3. There we go.
So we're about moments from rain, but we needed to finish this project. We've had a lot of rain this week. I've been slightly under the weather, so Paul's been doing this project by himself. And honestly, even if I was well, I don't think I could have done this. So this is, or I should say, I don't think I would have wanted to do this. So Paul has done this project. What we're going to do is, so he just put a couple clothespins on there so you can see that it's a clothesline. But anyway, we just, we've done nicer clotheslines before where we had one on each side and we had a whole Y shape going. You know, it was great. It was really great because we had multiple lines. We really just needed something simple. So we're going to do something special to this post so it doesn't look like just a random post sitting there, and we'll provide something great for this area. On the fence panel, he has the retractable clothesline pretty decent priced at Amazon. It was under $20. The post was $10 and a bag of cement, which was a few dollars. And we did it in between the rain. And it's okay if it rains on it because we don't mind a little water. You don't want a deluge of rain, a big storm, but a little rain during the week was fine at that time when he did it. And it should cure within, what, 24 hours?
Yeah, less than that.
Yeah, so just like totally cured by then. But yeah, it usually takes like half a day. But while that, one tip that we can tell you is when you do the clothesline, make sure the ground's not frozen. You really need to get in the ground really well, and you want to be able to pour the cement and have it stay. You also don't want to be having the cement cure and all of a sudden there's a frost and a snowstorm. So you really want to make sure you time everything right. We wanted to do this now because when the spring starts to get warmer and warmer and the days are longer, hopefully within another month, we want to be able to put some clothes on the line. We can't do multiple lines just because we really don't want this a huge clothesline anywhere. We are very limited. At once upon a time, we didn't have the pool. We didn't have certain things going on so we could do it. But now what Paul's going to do is, this is what we're doing. And so it doesn't look like a random pole. We're actually putting a solar light here, which is fantastic because where it is, there's going to be some nice sunlight. And over in this corner of the secret garden, it gets really dark. So we're going to add a little light here. So if we're out here in the evening on the deck or near the secret garden, we get to have a little light. What we may do as the spring progresses and we just need more line and maybe even more light, we may add another one on the other side of the deck across over here and at that end. And again, there'll be a light there and we'll have another retractable laundry cord if we want another one. The problem with us not doing it now is over behind the bench, not the most ideal spot, but we do have some raspberry bushes, hence the name Brambleberry Cottage here. So we do have a lot of brambleberry bushes here. So because of that bush there, that could tear up some clothes and stain some clothes with the raspberries and just frankly get in the way. So not a convenient place, but if we need to, we have the option. We could put it there in the future, especially if we plan to move our bushes. So there it is. Very simple. We're going to let this age for now. When the spring comes, we may decide to stain this pole or maybe even paint it. But for now, there you go. Great job, Paul.
Thank you.